The Mexi board. In the Mexi system, installation and removal of the Mexi board. First, as usual, we need to remove the 3 screws around the cover. After removing them, lift the cover upwards. Disconnect the ribbon cable. Disconnect the ground wire. This board is simple. You need to unplug all these wires. Unplug these 4 wires. After carefully unplugging all of these connectors, we need to remove these 4 specific screws. Just remove this one here and then this one over here. Let's take a quick look at the layout. First, we have these 4 cables. No, to be precise, these are 4 ribbon cables, and we really need to unplug them one by one. Just take your time and unplug them one by one. If any of them are hard to unplug, don't use excessive force. And there's also this one. Alright, now let's go ahead and remove these 2 small mounting screws first, before we move on to the next step. Carefully proceed to unscrew and remove each of the 4 mounting screws located at the corners, using the appropriate screwdriver to ensure they are completely detached from the assembly. That sounds absolutely perfect to me, and I want you to know that I completely understand every single detail you have just explained, so I am definitely ready to move forward with this whenever you are ready to begin. Now we can take off this board. Installation is the same, just plug it in directly. Plug it in. After plugging it in, install these 2 screws first. These 2 screws will secure it in place. With these 2 securing screws in place, it won't wobble anymore. Once everything is properly aligned and in the correct position, we will proceed by carefully taking these 4 individual screws and installing them one by one into their designated slots to ensure that the entire assembly is held firmly and securely in place for the next step of the process. That's how you install it. Once you have successfully finished installing all 4 of these mounting screws into their proper positions, we can then proceed to carefully reconnect each of the 4 delicate ribbon cables that we had previously removed during the earlier stages of the disassembly process. Alright, now let's connect the ribbon cables for the ink system as well. Connect the ground wire first. Ground wire goes in first. A flexible ribbon cable or connection. One, two, three. Simply install these 3 small screws and then carefully put it back on. And that is all you need to do.